Hi, I'm Chris. I'm an incoming junior at Regis High School, and I accomplished my second milestone, which was using an image taken with the Raspberry Pi camera and having it recognize my face through the Amazon recognition service by comparing the picture I took with other pictures that I took inside of a collection. So the first step in that process is running the code in the Linux terminal sudo pip install aws cli --upgrade user, and that just connects the terminal to Amazon Web Services. Next, I had to create an account on Amazon Web Services and then use the security credentials to create an access key ID and a secret access key so that I can link the Linux terminal to my specific Amazon Web Services account. Now, Amazon Web Services is a subsidiary of Amazon.com that has a lot of different just sort of functions that are especially helpful with the Raspberry Pi, specifically Amazon Recognition, which is the one that I'm using for my project. So in the Linux terminal, I inputted the code AWS configure, and I inputted my access key ID, the secret access key, my region being US-East-1, and the command output, which is just enter in all caps. Then I went online, did a little research, and cloned a GitHub repository which was full of different codes that will help me use that recognition software. So I used the code python add_collection.py, and that used the name home for my collection. And I filled that collection with a bunch of pictures of my face and associated each of them with the name Chris. Then I used another code called, I used one that was similar to the one in my first milestone to take a picture of myself, and I named that chris.jpg. Then I ran one called facematch.py, as you see here, and it is looking for this picture, chris.jpg, and then it's looking through the home collection to find possible matches for that. So when I run this code, it starts checking that image against all of the ones in the collection. It recognizes that with 99.91% confidence that there is a face in the picture, and then it matched my name with the picture with a 94.2 similarity and a 99.99 confidence that it is me. The similarity is just a little off because of the lighting depending on how the picture is taken, but aside from that, it recognizes that it is my face. The hardest part of setting this up was probably working with Amazon Web Services, just because the website itself is a little difficult to navigate, and Raspberry Pi isn't always the fastest with internet connection, so sometimes it just gets a little messed up. But finally my project is starting to take shape, and this is looking really cool so far. Thank you.